Here's a quick look at the show flow storyboard I created for the Scholars event. The storyboard basically breaks out all the elements of the show and gives everybody who is a member of the running crew their specific instructions for each specific part of the show. The spreadsheet follows the run of show and the script by time and element. Then it breaks it out across the page here and lets everybody who is part of the show, from video to audio to prompter, electrics, and staging, know what they're doing and when they're doing it. I took a front elevation of the show, numbered the screens and the destinations, referenced those here, and then drilled down to a more granular level in the tabs at the bottom and the quick links on the left, which take you to the same place. So here you can see all the slides that were part of this presenter's show, where the slides go, what the pip looks like for that particular presenter, and the linear progression of slides throughout this presentation. The aggregate of all these storyboards was printed out on C-size paper, and that was distributed to all the department heads so everybody could get on the same page very quickly. Between the spreadsheet, the storyboard, and the granular information for each presenter, everybody really did get on the same page within hours of seeing the show for the first time.